Hello guys, today's lesson is conventions. We will be focusing on irregular verbs in the past. Usually you add ed when we want to make the past. We just put ed. For example, smile, I smiled in the past. Play, I played football yesterday. Play plus ed to make the past, played. Ed to a verb to show past tense. This is when we have regular verbs. Regular, it means without this ir, irregular, just regular. It's simple. We just put ed to make the past. But today's lesson is irregular verbs. Those irregular verbs do not follow this rule. We don't just put ed to make the past. Irregular verbs change to other words to show the past tense. They become like totally different word or the same word, but what is important, we do not just put ed. Maybe we change the word, we keep the same word in some cases, but the pronunciation is different, like read a book and read. I read a book yesterday. I read books. I like reading books, for example. Okay, so present tense. This is in the present. He makes a huge logging camp. This is present. S, we know it. Past, he made. Look what happens here. From make, we change the K to D. Made, a different word. A huge logging camp. Past with has, have, or had. Also, we call it past participle, or the verbs in the participle tense. Past with has, or have, or had. Usually they have another name, past participle or present participle or perfect. He has made a huge logging camp. Has made. Also, when you have it with those, the verb might be the same like the past, or it might be different from the past even. For example, we say he writes books. In the past we would say he wrote books. In the past with have, has, had, we would say he has written books. All right. Irregular verbs have special form when they are used with has, have, or had, as I just showed you in the example of write, wrote, written. Below are some irregular verbs and their past forms. Okay, for example, the verb bring in the past, brought, past participle, brought, or past with has, have, had, brought. Choose, chose, chosen. As you see this example, choose with double O, only with one O, and here one O and we add N, chosen. Come, came, came. It looks like the one in the present. Do, did, done. Feel, felt, felt. This table should be memorized, by the way. It's very important one. Get, got, gotten. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Make, made, made. Say, said, said. Speak, spoke, spoken. Teach, taught, taught. All right. Directions. Okay, let me get my pen. Write the past tense form of irregular verb in the parentheses. Number 1, Paul Bunyan, go to the main woods. I want to put the verb go in the past. I think we already have it here. Go in the past went, and past with have, has, had, gone. Do we have has or have or had? No, so we will focus on this past. So it is went. He, since we don't have has or have or had, bring in the past, brought. Number 3, he, okay, let me read this one. He brought an axe and a fishing pole. Number 3, he make a new friend. It is the past, of course, because we don't have, has, or had to use in this form. So we're gonna just stick to the simple past. He make, the past is, here is it, make, made. He teach, the past is, the last word, teach, taught. So he taught his friend how to cut. down trees. Number 5 and the last one, he say, past is said. He said he would start logging camp. So those are the answers. What I want you to do to memorize those verbs in the past, at least in this past tense only, because they are very important, and those verbs are used more frequently. They are commonly used. All right, I hope you understood the lesson and you enjoy it. As usual, if you have got any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Have a lovely day and goodbye.